Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lesson for class 11th, subject zoology. My today's topic is the morphology and anatomy of cockroach. Before going into the details of this topic, first of all, we must understand the meaning of morphology and anatomy. So far the meaning of morphology is concerned, it is basically the external appearance of the organs or parts of the body, that is, the study of externally visible features, while as anatomy refers to the study of morphology of internal organs and organ systems in an animal. As per your syllabus, you are supposed to study the morphology and anatomy of three different organisms at different evolutionary levels to understand their structural organization and functioning, which include cockroach, frog, and earthworm, belonging to three different phyla, that is, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Amphibia, and phylum Annelida. So far the morphology and anatomy of cockroach is concerned, we must know that there are almost 4,500 different species of cockroaches throughout the world, and they are omnipresent. That means they are present everywhere in any type of climatic conditions. This is because of various characteristic features which enable the animal to survive in diverse climatic conditions. The most important characters among them are their food habit, as they are omnivores. So far their food habit is concerned. That means they take any type of food, whether it is of animal origin or plant origin. Secondly, they have a chitinous exoskeleton which provides a protection to the animal under adverse climatic conditions. Now the most important species which we are going to study about is Periplaneta americana. So far this species is concerned, the name of this species is concerned, Periplaneta means their cosmopolitan presence, that they are present everywhere in the world, and the word Americana refers to their origin, as their origin is from Mexico in USA. That is why its species is called as Americana, and the complete name, the zoological name of this animal stands as Periplaneta americana, where Periplaneta is the name of genus and Americana is the name of species of this particular animal. So far their external morphology is concerned, here you can see in this sketch, the body of the animal is divided into three distinct parts known as head, then thorax, which is composed of three segments known as prothorax, metathorax, and mesothorax. The animal also bears three pairs of jointed appendages. Here you can see this is the leg which originates from the prothorax, and the leg is termed as prothoracic leg, then the mesothoracic leg from the mesothorax, and metathoracic leg that is attached to the metathorax. So far the head of this animal is concerned, as you can see in this diagram, that head bears a pair of compound eyes and a pair of sensory antennae. The head is triangular in shape and it is composed of actually the 6 segments. It bears a special type of mouth parts which are biting and chewing in nature. The mouth is also called as hypognathous mouth because of its position and location in the body, as it is located at right angles to the long axis of the body. This is the long axis of the body, and mouth is positioned at right angles to this axis. This angle becomes a 90-degree angle, and this type of mouth is known as hypognathous mouth. So far this thorax is concerned. As you can see, this thorax is composed of 3 segments. The first one as prothorax, the middle one as mesothorax, and the last segment of the thorax known as metathorax. This thorax also bears 2 pairs of wings, a pair of forewings and a pair of hindwings. The forewings are called as tegmina and the hindwings are known as hindwings. They are actually meant for the flight. As you can see, they are very delicate, while as this tegmina is very hard as compared to this hindwing, and is meant for the protection of the animal. When not stretched, it covers the body as is seen here in this sketch. Now, abdomen is composed of 10 segments, and in both the sexes, the last segment bears jointed filaments known as anal cerci. The chitinous exoskeleton is in the form of plates, or these chitinous plates are also called as sclerites. The sclerites which cover the dorsal part of the body are known as tergum or tergites, while as those sclerites which cover the animal ventrally are known as sternum or sternites. Now, this animal is basically a nocturnal omnivore. It destroys the food material and contaminate them with their excreta. Hence, they are called as pests. These cockroaches also transmit a variety of bacterial diseases by contaminating the food material. This was all about the morphological aspects of this insect. Now, in our next classes, we will study about the anatomy of internal organs and organ systems of this animal. Till then, goodbye and good luck. Stay blessed.